Hey, Merry Christmas, Hawko. Alright. What are you guys doing?
Slipping.
Oh, thanks, buddy. What's going on out here? What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
Getting them
That's
out.
not even your car.
Shit, mine got see my whole ass to dig out of.
Did you dig it out?
Yeah.
Man, it's really coming down. What happened over here? You stuck to him there?
Yeah.
It's like car jamboree. Wait a minute, I gotta. This is where I'm driving out. This is where I'm driving out tomorrow. This is doom, pure doom out here.